Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to your MetaMask wallet quickly and easily. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Binance account and go to uh, Spot or Assets section. Then click Withdraw. Next, open your MetaMask wallet. Make sure it's set to Ethereum mainnet. Copy your MetaMask wallet address from here like that. Then go back to your Binance account, select Ethereum and paste the address and ensure the network is set to ERC or Ethereum, ERC20 or Ethereum. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer and double check all the details. Once you are sure everything is correct, click submit or withdraw. And that's it. Binance will send a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to confirm your withdrawal. Your Ethereum should arrive in your MetaMask wallet shortly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.